Honey, you don't have no pants on.
I got no. Don't tell people I got a pants on for you. Chat too much. See what I tell you?
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have tacos. But today's Thursday, honey.
Yo, we don't do the Taco Tuesday. We do taco any day.
We have Taco Thursday.
Change the Taco Tuesday.
Alright guys, before we dig in, yes, I'm going to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know y'all was missing First Lady outfit of the day, and she gave you an outfit, so you better like it.
What you don't.
Let's go, family.
Listen, guys, we are ready to dig in. You hungry, my youth? My hungry man, my hungry bad. Okay, I'm gonna put some sour cream. Oh my God, a lot came out. Let's see. I'm gonna put some. Want some, my love?
You gonna tell me? I got chicken.
Oh, that's how hungry we are. We have chicken and we have beef.
And beef.
Beef. I think these are chicken. It's mixed up, guys, to be honest, but
All mixture.
all mixed up. I put too much sour cream on that one spot. But
We all want no social distancing.
but we're so hungry, guys. So here's my hair.
She got the Empress Goddess locks. I see
Okay.
you, First Lady.
I did it for you guys.
Yeah.
Majority rules. Thank you guys for helping me make a decision. You guys picked great.
Appreciate that. I know she's not gonna do y'all here. Only mine. But
You like it?
yeah, I love it. Let him give him a little turn. Bang. Shebang. First Lady, picture ready. Hope y'all like it, ladies. Oh, this is sauce, huh?
Oh, nice.
Wow. And I got homemade chalupa. Do y'all like chalupas? I love chalupas. What's that?
If you guys have ever tried this is my first time trying this.
How has your day been going? Good? Okay? Somewhat?
It's pretty good.
Yeah. How would you be going far into? No? Just a little bit obstacle, but we got over it, you know?
Oh yeah.
Huh? The devil is strong.
So strong.
But we overcome. It's always better when we come and talk to y'all. A little venting, you know?
That is true.
So, if you're having a bad day, and you want to get cheered up, tell me what greedy Chinese.
Whatever.
Look, I'm eating my homemade chalupa now. It's a soft one. No social distancing. Good, right?
It's
better?
good. It's really good. I put so much what do you call it? Guys, I mean, if you only knew how hungry we was.
I'm always hungry. Wow. This ain't no challenge, because you see all this taco, this ain't no challenge.
I know, right? I'm glad it's not because I want to enjoy my no quiero taco.
Chiquita Taco Bell. Remember that dog? What happened to that dog?
Is he still around?
I don't know. That dog was popping.
Let's check. Let's go back in time and see.
All right.
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Oh, he's still there.
He's still there. First thing, these tacos is good, girl. I love your outfit today. You popping.
I'm popping?
We have to go all out today for them. They're missing.
I know you guys have been asking for it. That makes me feel so good because they missed it.
What are you doing? It was like a Rasta, you know, Impress, a Rasta Richie. Yeah, the Impress.
You have a lot of names. Rasta Richie, Pasta Richie.
Pastor Richie. I got a lot of names.
Beer names you up.
This is good. School started for us here, but no, our kids ain't going back to school. My daughter, all I'm doing virtual.
She don't like it, but
She don't like it, but she's staying home.
she'll be alright. She'll get over it.
She's so stuck on going back to school. She even back on lunch.
You saw that?
Yeah, she's back on lunch, family. She said to me today, Daddy, I'm on lunch. I said, lunch? What do you mean you on lunch? Oh yeah, I got my lunch now, and I'm going on lunch. I said, where you going? You gotta turn around, right to the table. But she's on lunch. That's crazy. But yeah, we ain't doing that, huh? He's virtual.
I mean, she literally packed it in her lunch box and put it in the fridge.
Everything. Where she going to school? She determined. Hey.
Me, I love school. What's my love?
How much time you ate? You eating a lot, girl.
You think so?
You moving fast like you're a challenge.
Oh no.
Yeah. One of the subscriber asked if we eat more during the day or just eat one meal. I eat a lot.
I eat one meal.
First I eat one meal. Come on, I just eat.
If I feel hungry, I try to drink more water. Or I just eat a snack because I don't want to deprive myself. But usually one meal. My problem is like if we're watching movies, I gotta have a snack.
So, my question is to them now.
Yeah.
How do y'all do it? Can y'all eat just like us? Y'all eat one meal a day or y'all eat throughout the day? Let me know. I'm curious, just like how y'all be curious too. That's you.
A lot of our subscribers, they're either vegetarian or they do water fasting.
Yeah.
Because I water fast also.
Yeah,
the longest I went on a water fast was 6 days. Ooh. Where I don't eat or drink anything else except for water. And I did that to do a detox. And it was great.
You did? We can't do that.
And I was still cooking their food.
Yep. Straight water she was drinking. No way, Jose.
Wait a minute. So how would you go on Naked and Afraid?
I can go Naked and Afraid.
Really?
Y'all know that show? Comment down if you know that show, Naked and Afraid. But I told first day I want to go on it.
I told him I don't think he could survive it.
Oh, you think okay?
You can't survive an hour.
As soon as first day drop me off to my destination, I'm going right back with her. That show is crazy. It's a nice show. If y'all like that show, let me know. Naked and Afraid.
I remember an episode that Richie and I watched. Sorry.
Right.
And I choked my hood.
You can use that. Can I use that?
It's some mango juice.
Good.
And taste it? Good. Thank God.
I know you wasn't gonna give me none. That's why if you gonna give me one, you buy me one. She said, stay family. She came in with juice. I said, what are you drinking today? She said, oh, I got something in the fridge. I was just waiting for the axe to tell us I don't want none. Cause you know why? And she wanted to give me some, she'd buy me one. Where's all good? I just started that. No carvel for you.
Excuse me, guys. I want to taste it first.
Today I'm gonna put baby in the corner.
Yeah? Let me think I was gonna say now.
No, you was just watching the episode. Or something.
One time we watched an episode of Naked and Afraid. I don't know if you remember, honey, but maybe when I'm telling you, you'll remember.
Tissue.
Tissue? The guy got on Naked and Afraid and everything. I think it was in a desert, and they found him and the girl found, or both of them, excuse me, each found some rattlesnakes.
Yeah.
Or some snakes, whatever. And then the first rattlesnake, oh my God, that they found, the guy overcooked it. It was hard as a rock. Now remember, you're in a desert now, so there's slim pickings. So the girl caught a snake. And they're cooking it.
Yeah,
remember? And she said to him, "Don't overcook it."
Oh yeah, I'm wrong.
And the man overcooked it again and burn up the snake. Guys, they found a third snake. Okay? He didn't cook it long enough and they got sick.
When I put that snake there. What would y'all do if you had just stuck on the island? How would you survive?
I see movies like what's the one with Tom Hanks? Castaway?
No, what that?
Or that movie where 47 Degrees? Where the girls them get trapped in a cage and they go all the way down to the bottom of the ocean?
Oh yeah. 47 meters. When you say degrees, I'm thinking, what kind of cold movie you talking about?
That's what I said? Degrees? Yo.
That got liquor in there? Oh. Okay, come like a joke, man.
I must be.
No, 40 degrees. What kind of show is that? I never watched that show.
But hey, movies like that it get me really scared. Because anything happen. Anything. My mother, she's afraid to go, my mother, if she's going, she doesn't really like the ocean, but she loves to swim. And if she goes into the ocean, she's not going, like where the kids go, she might go a little bit further past that, but nothing past that because she's afraid because she thinks that there's these big tubes in the ocean, which there are, but it's not so close. There's these big tubes, and she feels like if she's swimming, the tube will suck her in to the water, so, like under the water, suck her into the tube. So she told me that as one of her fears, but then her fear turned into my fear. So I'm afraid that when I'm in the water, I'm like, what the hell's going on?
I don't do beach and I don't do pool. People say, how can you live in Florida and you don't go to the beach or pool? Alligator everywhere.
Even in the pool?
Alligator in pool too. Alligator in pool.
They do be having them on the news with alligators in people's pools.
Yep. I don't do those stuff.
Alligators don't have no manners.
Did you give them some of the thing? Oh yeah, I guess I forgot today. Hungry one. But yeah. First lady's a movie person. I'm not really a movie person like that. She know a lot of movies.
I know a lot of movies. Okay, that's true. Cause I thought you were gonna say that you didn't like to watch movies.
I watch movies like, but I'm not a movie person.
He likes to watch movies, but I can remember a movie. I can be like, oh, that person played in that movie. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Or we could be talking, and I would say, "Oh, that line was from that movie." Don't ask me how I remember it.
I remember about sports now. I'll let you know.
That's true.
But yeah.
Tacos are messy.
I know a lot of y'all movie lovers too. Trust me, I know that. Taco them nice, man.
What's your favorite movie? I have a lot.
Yeah, but a lot of movies. What's your favorite movie? Ask them again, because they didn't hear you in that one.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you mine. But some of mine. Beauty and the Beast. That's my sister and I's favorite movie. My husband and I's favorite movie is Love and Basketball. Grease. What's love got to do with it? How Stella got her groove back.
You got a lot of movie. You're an actor.
Dear John.
You see First Lady eating all the tacos? Y'all don't see that? It's not a challenge, girl. She eat up all the tacos. How much tacos you took?
No.
You took a lot of tacos, girl. She ate. She eating off. First Lady doing good. That's right.
I think I'm full now, though.
How much tacos you gave me?
I don't know. We was hungry, honey.
How much tacos you... If you're watching this video, let me see who's watching this video now. Right? It's a trick question now. Let me see if you can get it. How much taco did I eat? Let's go. This was at the 20:38 mark. How much taco did I eat? I'm gonna catch y'all down. So good.
What?
If there's no challenge, you just take it time and eat. That's what I like.
Guys, I'm full. I'm gonna eat this piece right here. Good.
You did good though.
You don't understand how hungry we was. I felt like we didn't say nothing today. I feel like we chopped beer farts.
I bet you I'm not the only one. Calm it down.
Beer coming to I give them.
Yeah, beer coming. They make that. Listen, calm it down. If when you eat a hard taco, if it cuts your gums, right? And see if I'm the only one. Cause first I think I'm the only one. Say the one first, Eddie.
I'm just eating a little piece of bite.
I'm sure why you take a little bite. I'm gonna give you my Pastor Richie session. I think I forgot. I don't forget. Appreciate y'all liking the word of wisdom, you know. If it make you smile, make you smile. If it make you think, make you think. You know what I'm saying?
That's true, honey.
You know what I'm saying?
That's
so,
true.
as I said, that's why I give you the word of wisdom. So, bad day, it make you smile.
Honey, you don't have no pants on.
I ain't got no. Don't you tell people I got no pants on for you. Chat too much. See what I tell you? When you chatting now, chatting now.
I just looked down. I said, the hell?
I got no pants on. I'm in my house, son. You want that be my business now? Word of wisdom. Let me take a sip. Yeah. Ready for the word of wisdom, family?
How about it?
Okay, all right then.
Oh.
Talk louder.
I heard them. I was
No,
like,
they was
what
no. They like hurry up already. I'm waiting. Okay. Ready. Stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach.
Okay.
Again. Stay committed to your decision, but stay flexible in your approach. Yes, your approach. So in your word, whatever you want to do, everybody's right. Ain't no wrong answer to this. You feel me? At this point, you know we have to go.
I thought he was gonna say at this point. You know you don't fuck.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And we missed y'all. You know what it is already.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.